How to fix Messenger photo quality. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Messenger photo quality is very poor. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook Messenger. Alright, so after you open the Facebook Messenger with your account, you'll get such interface. So from your, you'll have to choose the conversation. From there, you want to send the high quality photos. Alright, so in my case, I have opened this conversation, and from here to send the high quality picture, you'll have to just tap on the option plus just at the left hand side of your screen. So simply tap on the option plus, and now from here tap on share a file, and now from here you can as usual share the photo file from here, and after you share it you can easily send the high quality picture from your device to the messenger. And although you can also send the HD quality on messenger by tapping on the gallery icon, so it will again appear at the left hand side of your screen. So simply tap on the option gallery. Alright, so from here you'll get options like SD, so it will appear at the top right corner of your gallery section. So simply you have to just tap on that SD option, and after you tick that SD option, you'll be able to send the high quality picture from here. And now from here you can easily send the high quality picture on messenger. So these are the easiest and simplest methods. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.